Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boldly Goes Model Works. And yeah, hold on a minute. What am I doing a finished vehicle on the bench? Well, I'm finally getting around to building this. It's the Tamiya version of the Opel Blitz, 3-ton German Blitz. So obviously that's why I've got her on the bench, purely to show you this and show the assemblage. So what can I say? Well, obviously I've said it before in the videos. I can say that this one hasn't got the weight to it, because this one hasn't got a cast aluminium chassis, cast metal chassis. This is plastic, so it means it's a lot easier to glue together. So what I'm going to do now is get these painted. I'm going to be quite daring. I'm going to use Outlaw Dark RAAF Dark Grey as the paint, and that means no primer on this. So we shall see you in a bit. Bye for now. So we're back. Obviously we painted the parts with Outlaw paint. So next thing we're going to do, take this back up to the workshop, up to the workbench, and get a rolling chassis built, and also assemble the cab. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now. Hi guys, James here. Welcome to back to Boldly Goes Model Works. Now it's Saturday. It's been a while since we did the first, the earlier sequence of this Opel Blitz build. As you can see, we have the flatbed all assembled and painted in this lovely dark grey. So let's whip my marder over here, and you can see the it's definitely got a blue hint to it. So obviously this one's been flat coated and weathered down. So yeah, obviously we will be getting the cab painted here. Again, we had quite some fun and games painting that, so quite a few choice words were said when I glued it together, but hey ho. So next thing will be painting it all up, and also painting up a few bits I've got lurking around in here, like the drive shaft, the cover for the screw, the tarpaulin for the back. So that's rolled up cover, and yeah, so I'll get on with that. I decided to alter it slightly. I decided to leave the flag off as well. So that will be done. What's it? And also discovered those little triangles are for if they've got a towed vehicle. If they're towing a vehicle. So you learn something new every day, because Tamiya actually stated what they were on the drawing. I'd never read that before, but yeah, that's what that's for. So I'll see you all a bit later. Hopefully we'll have a lovely grey colour. and also have it bolted onto the screwed onto the chassis. Then obviously we've got to we'll talk about it more then. It's all spoilers then. See you later. And through the magic of editing, there she is, all finished. The well, all finished for now, because I will be putting some funky camo on the Blitz after all that. So obviously we've got all the bits painted, apart from the tarpaulin or the canvas roof. That's still drying because it's khaki. I think that one sits in there, or it sits on the roof or something like that. Yeah, I've unmasked the windows purely just to make sure I didn't have any overspray, didn't have any leaks on it, and yeah, we'll get ready for her next appointment with the paint shop, the spray booth tomorrow, which we just do the lovely little green lines, which are somewhere on the box here, so I'll show you. So if it looked like that, there's the green squiggles on the camera on the body. So there we go, and that's all for me for this part of the Blitz build. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.